Hello everyone, we are team TU7. We have made a bot called the AgroBot, which is helpful in automated watering of plants in greenhouses. In this tutorial, we will help you in setting up and running the code of our project. Now we will talk about the codes and how to run them. There are three different coding modules in our project. First is the trough side code, second is the central server code, and the third and the final one is the watering bot code. Now let's talk about the server side code. In this folder, you can see a jar file, a DLL file, and a communicator project which is written in Java. To run this project, you need to have NetBeans installed in your system. Open the project in NetBeans. Now, first you need to set up the environment of the project. Go to properties of the communicator, go to libraries, click on the add jar/folder option and add the rxtxcom.jar file which is given in the folder there. After adding this file, go to run and in the VM options, add the path to the DLL file. After adding this path, press OK. After setting up the environment, you can run this project. This project contains three files. First is the communicator.java file. This class contains functions to initialize the server with the input and output serial ports and also the streams to communicate between troughs and the watering bot. The app.java file contains the code for the GUI of the application. And the third file is server.java file, which contains the main class of the server side. To run this file, right click on server.java and click run file. When you run this file, you can see the GUI pane, which shows the water level in both the troughs. When the trough sends the request to the server along with the water level, this GUI gets updated. Now let's talk about the code to be transferred to the bots. We have two codes, the trough bot code and the watering bot code. We need to follow the similar steps for both of them. Now to compile this code, you need to have Keel installed on your system, in which this code was written. Open the MuVision project file in Keel. All the project related configurations have already been done for the project. Now go to target 1, right click and click on build target. After building the code, go to the project folder. You see a bin file created. This is a file which needs to be transferred to the bot for the required function.